cherry. Okay, it's cherry actually. Cherry Shipley Rocha. So sherry. Good evening. Monday night, Ken's 5 Digital Center. I'm Bill Taylor. Great to be in on a Monday night, a beautiful Monday night. Rain chances are actually going to continue through most of this week. So the good news, we can always use the rain. And the better news, temperatures won't be in the mid-90s for a while. I mean, they should be about 93 or 94 this time of year. As we start wrapping up June, getting into July, those are the numbers we should be hitting. Instead, our afternoon highs, a little cloud and rain cooled in the upper 80s, maybe even a few lower 90s. I mean, not bad at all for this week. Take a look at how gorgeous it is over Calaveras Lake. Just a phenomenal, phenomenal picture out there, overlooking the CPS power plant. Really, really nice. There's Poteet. What's up, Valerie? Lisa says, fingers crossed, you're going to say that we're all getting rain. You know, pretty good amount, but, you know, it's a scattered opportunity. So, you know, like all of North San Antonio didn't get any rain today. And so from central to north of Bexar County, nothing. South side got about 1/4 of an inch best. Not even, probably 1/10 of an inch. West, northwest, southwest, all got some good rain today. Happy garden. Hey, Ann. Yeah, absolutely, right? Hi, Paloma. So it's just a matter of over the week, I think you might get some rain, but it's not going to be every day with these kind of chances, this kind of an environment, which is a bit on the tropical side. It's definitely warm and still pretty humid, 77, dew point 72. But when's the last time we were at 77 this time of night? This is typically 87 at 9 o'clock. That was what it was all last week. Hi, Kathy. Arthur, you're the man, too. Cancel the rain on Saturday, though. Big family pool party flying steam crabs in from Maryland. Oh, wow. Big party, Lisa. A big family reunion and pool party. That's awesome. Missing me, and hello to Mark Moore. Just a few days, just a few drops so far. I know, right? Absolutely not much at all out there. Kerrville could use it. Terry, it got close today. Did you get any rain today? There was some really heavy, good tropical rains over Medina Lake, and they started coming up in your direction. They were mainly east of Kerrville. I remember seeing them in eastern Kerr County. Marcos, right? 60% of the time. It works every time. That doesn't even make sense. It's a great scene. Hey, Dondi. How's the rain for Del Rio? Hello, Aaron. It gets drier as you move west. The chances are there, but with this system, the farther west you go, the drier it gets. So let's take a look at radar tonight. Those were the really good thunderstorms. I was just talking, I forgot your name, I'm sorry, Kerrville. Where were you? I got to get your name. Come on, Kerrville. Terry. It was awfully close. Let's back this up about, let's say, 12 hours and put a few more counties on this map and show you what it looked like. The 12-hour loop. And you can watch some of this rain develop. Well, you're going to see the lightning first. Now comes the rain. Let's put this other radar on so you can see it for sure. And look at south and west. That's where the heaviest rain was. And you'll see a good little section stay pretty active and then resurge right north of Hondo, Medina Lake, and then it kind of rained out east of Kerrville. Brianna! Good to see you. What's the baby's name again? I'm so glad you're up on a Monday night. Hope everything's going well for mom and baby. Good to see you, Brianna. Davenport, Iowa. Wow. Good to see you, Deonda. Vanessa, how are you? So, yeah, tropical. Heaviest rain was south. In fact, let's show you some of the totals because this was astonishing to me. Again, look at North San Antonio, Comal County, Canyon Lake, Bernie, not a drop. You saw the clouds, but not a drop in that area. But look at some of these totals. It was 35 south. Pearsall was surrounded by 2.5 inch totals, as was Hondo. Then Medina Lake, 3 inches near you, 3 inches near Bandera. Pretty good stuff. Kyler. All right, Brianna and Kyler, a toast to you. Hope everybody's doing great. Little Kyler. That's a cool name. What a little stud. What's up? I'm Kyler White. Kyler White. That's going to be somebody. You can just tell when you hear names, right? Hi, Gloria. Hi, Virginia. Philip. Howdy. Howdy. Howdy, y'all. That's the old Texas, the Big Tex. Remember just a few years ago, that Big Tex outside the Texas State Fair, and it caught fire. Horrible. Highs today. So last week, mid-90s, and the feels like 105, 106. Look at these today. 90 in the city, and it didn't even feel that warm. 92 Pearsall and Cotulla were the hot spots, with Del Rio, too. 84 Gonzales. Very nice. 84. That's so nice. 87 Kerrville. Very nice. Bernie, 86. You take it. This time of year, if you get an 80-degree high, run with it. I mean, that is a gift. We have a new baby here. 12 days. Kelly, congratulations. Blessings on a baby. What's the name? 12 days old. Oh, my gosh. Not even 2 weeks yet. Far west side, only got the 10 minutes of light rain. Fingers crossed for more. Right, Amber? I know it. Charlie Brown and I are watching. House off Prue. Not a drop. Charlie Brown and Donna Sue. Good to see you guys tonight. Poteet, what's up, Colleen? We've got a couple of strawberry folks in tonight. What's up, Sergio? Good to see you. Hello, Gus. Yeah, I remember doing a story about the Poteet Strawberry Festival, and I saw the water tower. This was like back in the late 90s when I did more news stories, and I did weekend weather back then. And I remember writing, I was so proud of myself, I said, Poteet, where they look up to the strawberry all year long. Good, right? Water tower, looking up. Come on. Bandera. John, what's going on, man? Medina, Texas. Love you guys out there. Dehannes, what's going on? Good rain. See, Leanne, I'm telling you, some spots got some really good rain. And I think it'll be about the same tomorrow. This is what's going on. We've got an area of low pressure that came across the Gulf. You can't miss it. When I zoom this down, and you'll see it move inland. Look at that little twist right over South Padre. That's the area of low pressure that just swirled on inland, right? It was in the Gulf. It went all the way across, and then it kind of moved south when it moved into Texas, because it was really off the coast of Louisiana. It was never a tropical storm, not even a depression, just a tropical wave, area of low pressure in the Gulf, and that good counterclockwise spin is still picked up and very evident through northern Mexico and deep South Texas. I think as it slows down, it's going to have some more spiral bands on Tuesday. Now, the models are kind of backing off just how much rain we see tomorrow. Elaine, hope more than today. 5 minutes is all you got. Count the drops on the pavement, right? It was like liquid sunshine for some of you today. Lake Hills had a good downpour. Good, Jonna. I know that Medina Lake needs every drop out there for sure, for sure. Poteet, yes, George Strait from Poteet, Texas. In fact, Joe Reiniger always talks about seeing George perform in Pearsall. Hey, Joe Reiniger, what was the name of George Strait's band when you went and saw him years ago? The Ace in the Hole Band. And where were you when you saw? Wasn't that like Pearsall or something? He's still the name of his band. We're talking. It's still the name of his band today. That's so cool. But you remember seeing him like before he was George Strait and considered the king, right?
Ace in the Hole Band. Yeah.
Welcome back, Joe Reiniger. Joe Reiniger off last week and got hitched. Congratulations, Joe Reiniger, a married man. Congratulations. The crowd goes wild. Wow, 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 wow. Coming back from the honeymoon. He was actually skipping through the studio today. Hey, John Boyle. Rain and Bandera from noon all the way until 6. Ace in the Hole. Way to go, Amanda. Oh, thanks, Juanita. It was wonderful. So blessed with my girls. Every day's Father's Day when you have daughters. I'm so blessed. Thank you for asking. We got a good bit of rain here in Somerset. Yeah, see, Virginia, south, especially west, southwest, good rains today. I think so. So that's what we're looking at almost. I mean, this is one, which model are we looking at here first? The HRRR, good, reliable model. It's got the rain coming overnight. A nice little batch comes in by 4:30 in the morning, so maybe some pre-dawn showers, and then you can see it filling in nicely in the afternoon with heating. That's always going to pop in some healthier scattered thunderstorms. Nothing severe. These are all tropical in nature, so we won't get severe storms. And then picking up again, there's Wednesday afternoon. So this is why, again, 30 to 40% tomorrow is going to probably do it. I think 40%, but that's the her. Let's go look at some other models, shall we? Come on along. Congrats, Joe from Big Terry. All right. Thank you, Terry. Lives on a ranch outside of Fredericksburg. Is that where he is now? How's the 4th of July looking for the coast? Isabel. A little early to tell, but right now a chance of rain is definitely in the forecast. Yeah, sometimes, Rosie, there is some lightning because we do expect a few scattered thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow and even on Wednesday. You know, that's always going to be a possibility. This time of year, you hit that convective temperature, and if there's no big cap going on, some good convection will erupt some pretty good thunderstorms. All right, so let's see if we get some other models to agree with the HRRR's assessment. This is the IBM, and it looks pretty close, a little less rain, but close. That would be the 20 or 30% chance. Let's look at the NAM, 3 kilometer. Leanne, nothing severe. No, we're not expecting anything severe. Good tropical thunderstorms are sometimes going to get heavy, and they will produce lightning, which of course is dangerous. When thunder roars, go indoors. Don't forget that. When you can hear thunder, okay, boy, this is really thin. The NAM is not giving us much at all. Let's see what the RPM is looking like. Well, see, that's way off. That should be what's happening right now. So you really can't trust it moving forward, but it was pretty solid consensus with the HRRR. So yeah, we'll go with the HRRR's outlook, which again, little waves here and there, but not a washout. Most of these showers are the ones that last 10, 15 minutes. If you have something outside, if you're planning on something, don't cancel. I mean, definitely not something to cancel over through the remainder of this work week. Now, I can't say that for the weekend yet. Chances are still pretty good. About 40% Saturday and Sunday is what we're going with right now here. That could change because, again, we're 6-7 days out. That's just too far to really count on it. Dang that nitrogen. Going to give our lawns Mother Nature. Miracle Grow. Get ready to mow after we, yep, absolutely. Mow after we row. I love that. Oh, I got to use that. Rosie, that's good. Get ready to mow after we row. So you're so right. The natural nitrogen compound that comes down with rain, created by lightning, right? It becomes what's called condensation nuclei, okay? And that's what a water droplet will condense around, okay, the nuclei. And sometimes that will be that nitrate, that nitrogen, and it'll come down and supercharge. It's like a steroid for lawns. So it's not just the rain that gets those lawns green, it's the lightning too. It really is. That's what's used in fertilizer. Good stuff. Way to go. Sandra Graham. Hello, Sandra Graham. Good to see you. Do you have Instagram, Sandra Graham? Sorry. All right, so there's the rain chances. Let's take a look. 7-day rain forecast first, and you'll see that we've got about 1 to maybe an inch and a tenth over San Antonio. It dramatically falls as you work south to about half an inch through downtown, 1/10 of an inch south San Antonio into Atascosa and down I-35. You see a pretty good little pocket. West, it's like out from Medina, Texas into north of Uvalde, and that's 1 inch to 1.5 inches almost. And then east and down to Victoria, John Olson, looks like we got some pretty good totals there, approaching 2 inches maybe over the next 7 days. This is not tomorrow. This is not Wednesday. This is from now until next Monday. So this will be, you know, portioned out appropriately to avoid flooding. I promise you that. No flood threat. You know, there could be standing water. You're very welcome. Thank you for saying that, Isabel. Just got on. Anything severe? No, nothing severe, Josiah. Just some chances of showers. Scattered thunderstorms will be the most we see, and those can be some downpours. Tropical weather. Let's do a little. Today we had Tropical Storm Danny, and it's making landfall. So our 4th named storm of the season is a boy making landfall in southern South Carolina as a minimal tropical storm. Winds are at 40, moving west-northwest at 15. That's a pretty good clip, especially that close to the coast. Encountering friction near the coast, to be moving at that pace is pretty good. So it should be a tropical depression inland in eastern Georgia tomorrow and bring some pretty good rains through the state of Georgia right on through probably Thursday and Friday. Another system that we're watching has got a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days, and you can see it's nosing into the northern Caribbean by probably Thursday. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Going to be some heavy rains on the northern leewards as well as Puerto Rico. And again, keeping an eye on the tropics. That's about the only activity out there in the Atlantic. 7-day forecast time. Speaking of singing, guess who I'm going to sing for now? Golf 8 a.m. Milton, Tuesday morning, Universal City. You probably will be okay. You might get a shower. If you're playing 18 holes, you're out there 4 or 5 hours, have the umbrella with you because there's a chance, a decent chance, you'll get a little bit of rain. Yeah, I would definitely count on a little bit of rain tomorrow. But in the morning, hopefully you'll be all right. Hopefully you'll be all right. All right, can the newsroom join me? Just take a pause for this about 15 seconds. Are we ready? In a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ray Silva. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, Ray Silva! Our executive director, Eyewitness News at 10, been here for 40 years practically, man. We love you, Ray Silva. Way to go, man. Another trip around the sun. Be blessed, brother. That's awesome. He had Deborah Knapp singing happy birthday to him. Who gets to say that? Who gets to say that? Not many. It's kind of like shaking hands with Frank Sinatra. Not many people did it, you know? That's so you know that the great Deborah Knapp actually shares her birthday with my oldest daughter. They're birthday buddies. December 11th. All right. It's my Uncle Gilbert Torres' birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle Gilbert Torres. Happy birthday, Uncle Gilbert, to you. On a beautiful Monday night with rain chances all week. Happy birthday, Uncle Gilbert. That's awesome, Gina. Thanks for sharing. Very cool. Oh, Gina, actually, you gave me one of the pollen pets recently. Yeah. That was a really cool picture. Thank you, Fernando. I appreciate that. I try. God bless you too, Brian. Good to see you, Brian. Fellow Gatewayer, come see us all at Gateway Fellowship Church on Sundays, 9, 10:45, 12:30. 3 services every Sunday. And then also Gateway Fellowship online. I always help with that. I'm online and we're live. It's fantastic. So come join us. Hola, Santa Maria. That is the type of weather I'm praying for in Vegas. Oh, I bet. It can get pretty hot out there. Now, the real heat has been in the Pacific Northwest, so Vegas cooler than even there. So that's incredible. All right, guys, I'll leave you with the 7-day forecast. Time to get ready for Eyewitness News at 10. Julie, give us the rundown. What do we got coming up tonight at 10? I like to put our producer, Julie, on the spot. Fiesta Bandits apprehended. There were several, right? 2 or 3? There were 3 are in custody. We got Joe Reinagel with sports. It's going to be a wonderful Ken's 5 Eyewitness News at 10. And then the harrowing video. I mean, heart-stopping video when a rock truck, what was the truck itself, Julie? It was a semi. Had hot asphalt in this thing. And the brakes go out. This poor driver loses control. It flips onto its side and slides right into a convenience store. And we've got the surveillance video from inside the store when it happened. A miracle that no one was seriously injured, right? That's amazing. When you see this video, I think the time of day was the blessing. 10:30 in the morning. I mean, if it was like 6 to 8 a.m., I mean, you'd have a lot more people in that store. Or 4 to 6 p.m. Definitely a lot more people, right? 10:30 a.m. If it was going to happen at any time of day, it's tragic. But if it was going to happen, that would be the best time of day, you know? So you got to see this video. It's incredible. Coming up on Eyewitness News at 10. Once again, 7-day shows you 4th of July with a chance right now of rain at 40%. So hopefully that will come down. But even if it stays at 40, that means a 60% chance that you are dry on the USA's birthday. Have a wonderful evening. We'll see you on Eyewitness News at 10. I love you. God bless you.